In the previous video, we tried learning more, understanding more about Sentinel Content Hub, how it can enhance security operations by providing robust catalog and packaged security solutions. We have also gone through what are the different components of Content Hub. In this video, we'll try to explore those components in the Content Hub and try to understand little bit deeper what exactly they do, why do we need, how is their construct. So the first thing, how do you go to the Content Hub from Defender homepage? We are already aware in the new Defender portal, Sentinel is integrated. Even if you go to the Sentinel page from the Azure portal, it will redirect to the Defender page. You can see that here in the Sentinel, you can see the Sentinel here. Expand that, and we want to see the Content Hub. So click on Content Management and get into the Content Hub. Here you are seeing some information. Mostly we see, you can see all of those. See, initially you are seeing some connectors. And then if you scroll down, down, we are seeing some workbooks. Yeah, 776 results, so which will show all the content, all the components of Content Hub, but we'll go one by one by searching them, not by scrolling. Okay, so let's start with filtering the content type. So here, if we unselect the all, so first thing, we have already seen data connectors. So this is one component provided in the Content Hub. So you can just go ahead and see once again quickly, briefly. See all of this content, all of these data connectors available. Okay, we have already um, discussed well on this. I will not talk on that now in more detail. And then the next content are hunting queries, or we will check analytical rules. So you can see analytical rules here. If you just filter content sources from just standalone to, if you select all, you would also see the solutions that are bringing in these analytical rules. See, if you see, this is one solution. Apache Tomcat. This is, you can say, the connector or solution. In this solution, we can see what are the components available. You can see analytical rules, hunting queries, and many more. But if you want to see only the analytical rules, you can just uncheck solution and click on standalone. You can see all these analytical rules. So we already discussed what are analytical rules. Analytical rules are set of criteria and logic that define how Sentinel monitors data, detects suspicious activity, and triggers alerts or incidents. So they analyze the logs, analytical rules analyze the logs and signals from connected data sources that we bring using the data connectors. We bring um, logs and signals using the data connector to Sentinel workspace. Then these analytical rules will analyze that data logs using Query language KQL to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential threats. Later in this video, we'll see, or in the next video, we'll see how to kind of create new analytical rules as per the organization requirement. But now we'll just limit this video on exploring different components of Content Hub. Then the next one, parsers. This is another important component. I'm not able to see standalone parsers, but again, if you see, we have solutions. If you click on the solutions, you will have the parser. So we understood already. So parser is something that converts raw data, the raw data that is ingested from the different connectors. From the connectors, whatever the data ingested, it is raw. But we cannot get efficient analysis on the raw data. So parsers will help transforming that raw data into normalized schema, which makes easier for querying, detection, and correlation. So correlation is an important point we already discussed, where you have logs collected from many sources, and if you want to understand the threat landscape, length and breadth of the threat, and from which sources, what products these threats are affecting, you need to understand, you need to have that correlation. Likewise, you can see other components also. Playbook is another component. These playbooks are automated workflows that help security teams to respond to the alerts incidents quickly and consistently. They are built using Azure Logic apps, which means they can integrate with hundreds of services and APIs for orchestration and automation. Then the workbooks have filtered same way content type. So the workbooks are interactive dashboards that allow you to visualize and monitor security data ingested to Sentinel. They are built on Azure Monitor workbooks and provide a flexible canvas for creating charts and tables and text-based insights from log data. Likewise, we can explore all other components. Watch lists are there, summary rules are there, hunting queries are there. So hunting queries are another important content which is bundled with Sentinel. So these hunting queries are again KQL based searches that allow security analysts to proactively hunt for threats across large volumes of log data in Sentinel. Unlike the analytical rules which generate alerts automatically, hunting queries are manual or semi-automated investigations designed to uncover the hidden threats and anomalies, suspicious patterns that may bypass traditional detection mechanisms. So the threat hunting, for threat hunting, we can use this hunting queries. There are some predefined hunting queries we can make use of, and they are useful in many of the scenarios. You may have to develop something on your own in very limited. Next one, summary rules. Summary rules are scheduled KQL queries that aggregate large volumes of raw log data into summarized table for faster querying and cost optimization. Instead of running resource intensive queries on raw logs, these rules pre-compute and store aggregated data in custom tables, which improves performance and reduces the cost. In the end, we'll look at watch lists and try to understand what are they. Again, these watch lists are given provided in the solutions. So if you click on any solution or the connector, you will be able to see some watch lists. See, there is one watch list given in this solution or connector. What are watch lists? Watch lists are reference data tables that you can upload to Sentinel to collect and enrich event data. They allow you to add business context to your security operations by maintaining list of entities that are important for detection, investigation, and response. So all of this what we explored, we'll try to implement few of them and try to see how we can bring value to the business or how we can help the SOC analyst to perform their activities efficiently and faster.